So my name's Will. I used to work in finance, but I quit about 6 months ago to start an app-based business that I'd been planning for about 6 months. The issue that I had was that I had no technical expertise at all. I was really interested in the sort of sales and marketing side of the business, but didn't have a clue how to take my idea and turn it into a functioning app. So I knew right away that I needed some help, but I had no idea where to look or, sort of even where to go for this kind of help apart from just Googling. So someone suggested to me that I use Upwork. I created an account and put out an advertisement and had a whole group of replies back, and ended up choosing Stan and his team based on his incredible ratings and all the sort of experience he'd had, which was particularly relevant for the app that I was building. The project lasted for a few months, and now I have an amazing product that was exactly what I envisaged when I first set out and kind of drew the first plans up. There are two areas that I think Stan and his team particularly excel. Firstly, attention to detail. Anytime I suggested sort of slight change or any minimal difference in sort of what had been planned, they've always carried that out and added it to the latest version. And secondly, the kind of support they provided after the app has been largely completed. I'm sure a number of teams just do the bulk of the work and then leave you to sort of sort it all out, but they're always on hand to answer any questions, really at any time of day, which is incredible. So I'd encourage anyone who wants to build any sort of product to use Stan and his team, because they'll accelerate your business and make your life a whole lot easier.